This is a Viking Selectronic model 6570. This is one of the popular vintage Viking convertible machines, meaning that it is both a flatbed and a free arm machine. And to access the free arm, you just remove the plastic bed here, and it hooks right onto the free arm. This is a beautiful, beautiful machine. It is burgundy in color. It is complete, and it is just serviced with a brand new cam stack. These models always, the cam stack always is brittle and it breaks from lack of use. So this is brand new, serviced, and ready to go. It comes with the cover or the carrying case. It fits right down over the machine, and everything fits inside that cover. It comes with the original instruction manual. It comes with the accessory caddy that slides underneath the free arm. That slides right under the free arm when you're finished, and it fits inside the case. And it comes with the carrier and 8 cams. The A cam is right now in the machine. That's why you don't see it there. It comes with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And you can see the designs all across the front of the machine there. This is one of the models with the popular 2-speed motor with the low gear and the high gear. And the low gear is better for heavy-duty sewing. Comes with all feet. It comes with 6 bobbins. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful machine. Excellent cosmetic condition. Very clean. Very, very nice machine. We're going to start out. It's got an A cam in it, and it's already set to do the stretch, one of the stretch stitches. Each cam has regular and stretch stitches on it. So let's do a stretch stitch here. You see the fabric working up and back. It's in regular gear right now. Nice, nice sounding machine. I think you can set the needle to like be up or down when you're let off the pedal. Try it. No, I don't know. I didn't read the manual, and this is the first time I've ever had this model, so I could be wrong. Let's change over to the red design on the cam, and that is just, this is all color coordinated. It's a very easy machine to use. Each design has a color, and that color is coordinated on your dials. It's very, very cool. This is the red design. They call it like the fagoting or something like that. Go if you want it to go. I can have it go on full speed. I don't know exactly how the needle set works. And let's go back to regular stitch, which you just turn the dial here off and go back over to straight and zigzag. Straight and zigzag stitch. Okay, my thread keeps getting caught. There we go. Let's do a zigzag. Like I said, it'll go if you want it to go. I'm going to do some heavy duty stuff. There's a stretch stitch, there's a fagoting. 6 layers of denim. I'm going to pull it out and put it in low gear so you can hear the difference. Just pulling the spool on the side. Hear the difference? More torque on the motor. Okay. 6 layers of denim. Nice. You do get these fabric samples. 4 layers of leather. I'm sorry, 3 layers of leather. Garment leather. Using a size 16 needle. This machine is also double needle capable. It has no problem whatsoever pulling the leather through. There is a roller foot included, which is nice to work with leather. Beautiful stitches. And last but not least, delicate chiffon. Turn down the... Yeah, I don't have my tension pulled out enough. It's going to pucker a little bit. Let's take it all down a little. Let's go down to about 1. Delicate fabrics require less tension, less pressure. Yeah, still didn't have it set right. But anyways, you get everything set right, it'll do your delicates just the same as your heavies. The Viking Selectronic model 6570.